How much can you withdraw from Gemini daily? Intro. Hey there, you've just scored a massive crypto windfall. You're sitting at your computer, ready to cash in. But how much can you actually withdraw from Gemini each day? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Understanding Gemini's withdrawal limits. Gemini, like most cryptocurrency exchanges, has daily withdrawal limits to ensure security and prevent fraudulent activities. These limits can vary depending on factors such as your account verification level, withdrawal method, and recent transaction history. To give you a general idea, let's break down the withdrawal limits based on different account types. Basic account. If you're just starting out on Gemini, you'll likely have a basic account. These accounts typically have lower withdrawal limits, possibly around $10,000 per day. Verified account. Once you've completed the verification process, your withdrawal limits will increase significantly. This could be anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 per day. Enterprise account. For high-volume traders and institutional investors, Gemini offers enterprise accounts with even higher withdrawal limits, often reaching millions of dollars per day. Section 2. Factors affecting withdrawal limits. While your account type is a major factor, other elements can also influence your daily withdrawal limits. Withdrawal method. Different withdrawal methods may have varying limits. For example, withdrawing to a bank account might have a higher limit than withdrawing to a cryptocurrency wallet. Recent transaction history. If you've made a large number of withdrawals or deposits recently, Gemini might temporarily reduce your withdrawal limit to assess your activity. KYC requirements. Gemini may require additional Know Your Customer (KYC) verification for larger withdrawals, especially if you're withdrawing funds to a new address. Section 3. Tips for maximizing withdrawal limits. If you're looking to withdraw a large sum of money, here are some tips to help you maximize your daily limits. Verify your account. Ensure you have a fully verified account to enjoy the highest possible withdrawal limits. Plan ahead. If you anticipate needing to withdraw a large amount, plan ahead and spread out your withdrawals over several days. Use multiple withdrawal methods. Consider using different withdrawal methods, such as bank transfers and cryptocurrency wallets, to avoid hitting individual limits. Contact Gemini support. If you have any questions or concerns about your withdrawal limits, don't hesitate to reach out to Gemini's customer support team. Section 4. Security considerations. While Gemini has robust security measures in place, it's essential to prioritize your own security when making withdrawals. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. Add an extra layer of protection to your account by enabling 2FA. Be wary of phishing attempts. Be cautious of emails or messages that ask you to provide personal information or click on suspicious links. Use strong passwords. Create strong, unique passwords for your Gemini account and avoid sharing them with anyone. Conclusion. So, how much can you withdraw from Gemini daily? The answer depends on several factors, including your account type, withdrawal method, and recent transaction history. By understanding Gemini's withdrawal limits and taking necessary security precautions, you can safely and efficiently manage your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.